Francis of Assisi Church, French, Église Saint-François d'Assise, is a Christian church built during the 20th century in the area of Planoise, in Besançon, Doubs, France. History. The church was built in the beginning of the 1970s by Maurice Novarina, a famous French architect who built also the sector of Aposes in Planoise. This building is the only church of the area and was inaugurated in 1972. Before, the Christians went to Roy Farm. Before the construction of Micropolis, just 100 churchgoers attend this church. But once the monument received up to 4 priests. The architecture of the church is contemporary. A fresco composed of a 33,000-piece mosaic is located at the entry of the church. See also Planoise, Besançon, French, Planoise reflection. Francis of Assisi Church. View the 26th of September 09.